In H5P editor, we have the single choice set content type that allows the content designers to create question with one correct answer. So to start making single choice set question in H5P editor, click start. Then on the user interface, click the plus button with the word new H5P file. Then in the search for content types, type single, and the rest of the choices is now rest of the choices can now be seen. So click single choice set. Okay, so type title. You can type any title that match to your activity. So for example, all about research. Then after that, we have this textual and default. So question number 1, example. Okay. Which of the research gathers data on observation and experiences? The first alternative is the correct one. So be sure that your first alternative is the answer. So meron dapat na planning before making this kind of question. So example, the answer is qualitative. So the second alternative or the second or third to fourth alternative are no longer the answer to the first question. Quantitative. Okay. Then let us have the second question. Oops, wrong spelling. Quantitative. Okay. Question number 2. Which of these are part of the which of these is part of the qualitative research? Okay, again, the first alternative is the correct answer. Participants. Second choice or alternative is respondents. Okay. So you can add more questions related to this single choice set. So let us review. Yun pala munang ating behavioral settings. Hindi na natin pakikilaman itong score range. Okay? So behavioral settings automatically go to next question when alternative is selected. This needs to be turned off to make content fully accessible when using a screen reader. Screen reader is best for those who are having difficulty reading the screen, like those blind persons. Okay, so pwede siyang i-check or pwede siyang i-click or unclick. Okay, meron po siyang sounds, so you can enable the sounds or not. So I do not want to see this enable retry button. Then enable show solution button, pwede rin naman po. So we have here pass percentage is 100, or you can place 80%, yung 80% of the students, or 80% of the score. So let us say yung 80% na lang of the score, kasi yun ang habol natin sa ating lesson plan. Okay, so let us review the question. Yan po siya. Which of the research gathers data on observation and experiences? So, may sounds talaga siya. Then, since na-enable po natin yun siyang auto-continue, so, papasok siya sa second question. Which of this part of the qualitative research? The answer is, let us say I'm going to answer respondents. Ayan, wrong. Then the score will be presented to you after the students or the user is done answering. So that's all for the single choice set.